Ka Joint Action Committee jangkilai ti ki hima ke bakin thobya ka hima Milliam ka hima Noxpung bat ka hima Jirang hapo ka jingalam jung pasan nokse menta ka si ba ka khara tarik kilamot balai kendo yu mentri ramba ka jilla o karat ke sangma reina kalyang mentri ulak kentaj bane kendo ikite kinang yalam ke JC habakran shikilat pathai kubor klaito bekladap aya ka dorkas bandawa no mentri badai ban pinsangya ikendon balai soi Pat ka sarkar hapadang ke jilla Meghalaya bat Assam, pachusyo kilai itu balada ka sarkar kam skap ya ka jingdawa jongki ki alai bantiat jingkang, haga yang bishar bahakli edo kari India kata Supreme Court.
Action Committee hador ka border problem jom ka mai khuli bat tapter kita ki area. Ani ngidon ki rambas nong na ki Andrews nong belawan lang bat ni ngidon ru ki try jaka nakalang i basan. Ngidon ni ba marbot iba yawan seran lang dan di ba Adrian terter nangka kilong kemi kini kiba mjui ini kiba don baik ngilawan menek si ban submit ya ka memorandum kaba ngila thok bhai kani memorandum bat ngila ong takma CM badai ban pengkut no shwai ya kani ka jinga soi ke jongki ya kani ke MOU bat kasam namar ba kinong rim kilong ba ngila pani kinong rim ki basai namar balai ya ka caka ka puta ka jongi ba ka claim ka asam hapo kata kendon ka badan hapo ka schedule 1 ka description jo ka asam ka baki ong ki khasi states ya kani haji sisa claim pat ya bat claim pat ya keren ni kini henry lasu bulldoze ya kani ka kambat ngibu ya kani ka memorandum pen kedau ka government ba ka don ka notification 1876 ya ke Kosia Hills ke badai ki bala sai kenar bahaya ka ya kani ka port sodong jom ke hima khasi bat ter rang ta ki ar ki khat kadai sebab khatsan ki ter ngilap pen paulo di notification ki ba kala keren sai yang tu begini ki di jaka khasi kawai ka bangim sko ya hap kalong ba hajing sisa la dei bandon ka consultation ka dei bandon ka ni ka involvement jongki Autonomous District Council namar balik maki kidi custodian of the land. The state government owns no land. They menta hakanu ka nongrim. On what basis is the state government negotiating over private land? Kala nam la na ban pia Autonomous District. Autonomous District la penpau ba ki ka jurisdiction jam Autonomous District kadan hapo ka parat banti. They menta la deki ong ban muslia saya kata bakin ong ba ka parliament kan amend ni kani kan mi kaji ngaki ko masyarakat kan mi kaji ngaki ko masyarakat namar ba kini ki perlok kanton ki perlok ki basa sate ki bala im haga tu kaji apa ko border ki sutu iba inum la banyak im bat asam kamtam da kamdon kaji a ya kajaka kaji ya syai halor kaji ya a yang jom kajaka pi manta hapo mai khuli ki omba ide tangi pung dokha mo Henry kalau kemudian, we will not give 1 inch of tribal land also. 1 inch of tribal land also is so precious to us. Namar balai, we have come into India by virtue of Section 7 of the Indian Independence Act, where all the Khasi Himas, they became free. Like we were never under India at any point of time. Hakajo kapor pada kami ka violation ya ka instrument of accession. Kami ru ika bo usah Saidullah udakhat jong ka constituent assembly ong ba hakaski ba pass ya ka section ong ba kadon ka constitutional anomaly dakani ka di constitutional anomaly kumno ki jaka jong ki hima khasi kidang hap sipo asam haka kendon khasi states ya kani u LM Singhvi but VM Tarkunde, Argut constitutional expert, Skila Ongba, dan kam bandai saya Supreme Court under Article 131 of the Constitution. Namar in land dispute between two states, kadaitan ke Supreme Court dari original court of jurisdiction. Kebala Mandrai hadro ini. Tetaka daw ngiru ni Ongbiang ya state government, bakadai ban pensangnya no season don ni kanika MOU ke bagi layasai. Pada kajo kapor kadai ban don consultation bagi hasil Autonomous District Council bat ki Trajaka, bat ki Headman, bat ki CM Raj, bat ki CM Chua bakin poi kanu kajing ya soi. Nomor beli state government has no locus tandai to sign this. Tandai to sign anything on private land, on right land, on land of the community, on land of the Hima, on land of the Kurs. It is a matter of political convenience for the MPA government, because after all, Big Brother Assam is looking over their shoulder. So since the BJP government is there in Assam, they will have to abide by what Assam wants. So now Assam is very happy. We saw how Himanta Biswa Sharma, when he came to the NEPA, Northeastern Police Academy, his smile was from one ear to the other ear, because he has got what he wanted. What is the signature of two chief ministers? Because this is a constitutional process, it has to go to Parliament. The survey has to be done, and the people, you will not allow survey, I think. Will you allow up survey करने को देगा उसको? नहीं देगा. Kadang kuasa tak saya. Ingin siapa ibasan kiyo mesti order teh. Halo kendo kejoki, joki tapi kendo kiyo mesti order teh. Mentana kalian kejoki ro. Ni kerpen bagi kiyo mesti order. University, geographical contiguity, ke historical background, the legal issues, etc. In fact, when they decided this 6 areas, they said that they have abided by this. Kila yang halor kini ginong rim ngilap bagi kami. Where in history, if they had stood on these principles which they had outlined, then why was 1876 not taken into consideration? Because 1876 is the beginning of everything. Why was it not taken into consideration? Okay, you want to give land to Assam, but it must be clear. It must be very clear. And I'll tell you, right now I'll not give you the details, but there is big business and big politics going on. Because land, from the information that we got, a lot of these politicians who are in power, already the game is there to sell the land to Assam. A figure of about 20,000 crore also is there in the market. People are talking that 20,000 crores will be paid to certain parties once this land goes to Assam. So that we will see later. After we get all the facts, we will tell you about this big land deal.
Marka jaka kumaka day nita ni nangyari ako report kini ka jaka menta gila ong man ayno sa Asam. Jadi kalau kay gawa sulungo no marka ni jaka it was never in a disputed. Ado was bang kam dan disputed ay kam lang dispute kam dan ay beres kata ka day ka jaka jungi idan ba iim ni rap angto ni dan giyeng samang to nray menta kan san Asam udang suwan ban approach 2018. Kalau jang kata ngai complain si ngai complain si SP ngai complain sa po o si tatas po kana para ka. Nray kamle dia namar ba kiong bakalan jadi ka private. Namar bakalan jadi ka private matter. Tingi haban le himangi. Tementa kalau kay basopsi namar ba what image ngi la pelot ka pisaban le chelu Supreme Court namar ba ka ni ka matar kalong baka di ka private ka di ka individual kalan jungi tingi hable chelu Supreme Court. Ngai menta ka walungo pat umno ba ka sarkar mi kala pat nalor ba khamsim ka consent ka khamsim ka jingbit ka jing tang ka tien no na tien jungi meru khamsim meru ngai menta ka ni ka kala chu ala ka ai be sa Asam. Kita kayak ini mga sulungo. Kita si one submit ka ni memorandum kuma siyam pa yung ba sambu ka appointment nakakataong imla ba dito. Hindi nga ro dan lang. Kay Mustar Hazarika dan lang. Ba pustumi dan lang ata. Tingila pa ni ilang ba kani ka kadi ba dan po Supreme Court. Long yu ka. Ko ka kapaw ni Bonu Hazarika mo. The matter is in the court. We will see what the court decide. Kung tayo ang nakatien ng uhi, idan lang, may sakilang na press po, idan ang por, may sakiya katawang. The matter is still in the court, we will see what the court decide. Mereka kumenta ka pala ang kuwal sulungo, kumenta pa nang ni, abang ka court, kapag decide nang ni pagkilada pa ay nasasama. Kumenta mo, kani ka iyo jang ka, yung form, yung iyo, kani ka state jang Meghalaya jang bang iyo, ka state jang Meghalaya jang kadiling ba lado mo siya idan ko pudo sa bahapa po siya ka United Khasi Jaja Hills takapor ka nang day ka United Khasi Jaja Hills hindi mo kalong mata tinado 1876 ka British government gata por kala day ka Indian government tingilada dan pa pudo sa ba tikina pi mata kumbang labatay ba kidang gini 5 parameters tabon gini parameters ru kibre jungi ki satisfy lot pinian so kibar fa kidan don okay fine nrai mata the issue decide without going into that 1876 kalong important nabar kani 1876 kakta lang ka next phase. Pi ka next phase karon sa kani ka dash dombria ka right dombria ka taro ka di way na kirat ke ba hap po ka di pa jongi basan pat ka bade ning sa ka image no munta ka himamaliam di kani ka di ka right ka ba he na do nang ni na perni snapur ka kani ka di ka second phase dalam munta di base na kita ki 1876 kinsuya di kuntu na po ayu mat kani kan pon pau jing e chapo 1876 namar ba ya kani ka domria ya kani ka raj domria namar ba kini ka slaver fight kede ba ki bias na po 1876 namata da ki ignore pa kani bot ngi la pa ngi la do lupa ka di domria ru namar ko magalong hi di brio la do mataru dan naka di ayu jengki nyam karu kom jengki bat makir bilang willing ba banginuan bat ngi sengi susi kan namar ba kumbagi yo so kata kamlang officially yung bang jaka jongi subo ka jaka jongi may mata kladi siya asam na kitry yun lang himangi kitry kata ng ilang ngam sula man padyang te marsin baka jaka jongi garang de hapo section deal hapo din pa jong ka district council mata kala hap siya asam long no kamlang suka tribal land tin kanang kay ka ba bang ngim sutanat din namar ba klem ka jing bud ga klem ka jing kun kunjo optin nangi la susim la sim surai la karay kata kalong kay bang sosis